I'm an Italian chef that from Italy I moved all the way to Texas to work for the very best barbecue restaurant in business, to master the craft of barbecue. Now I'll teach barbecue worldwide. My name is Max and this is Texicana Barbecue. What's up everybody, Texicana Barbecue. Today, quick review about the M&M 800. This is a trailered version, but the same exact version will be, without wheels, very similar to the JNR oiler. The story is that the maintenance guy from JNR, he started his own brand, M&M. Mikey, what's up Mikey? That's what's up. This smoker is actually right now at Hurtado Barbecue in Arlington, Texas. What we have, this is a rotisserie, has 12 shells total. We'll check this out. A capacity of probably 4 or 5 brisket each shelf. Considering the space, this is a pretty efficient smoker. It's a semi-automated smoker. Interesting, very similar to the JNR again. I did the review about the JNR, I believe the bigger version that they have over there at Terry's Black in Dallas, Texas. Check the video out. So over here, we set the temperature how we want it. Where for example, if you want it to 50, less than that. So this is the temperature that we set, the red, and the black is the temperature where it's at. So right now the smoker is at 200. Very, very good to cold smoke. Rotisserie off, rotisserie on. This one, it allows the rotisserie to keep going that way. What the fuck is this? Oh, the evac. So the evac, basically, we can turn this on and off. Sometimes when we open the door, there is too much smoke. There is like a turbine, look at very much like a turbo of a car that suck up basically the smoke. The trick with this smoker, a lot of people complain the fact that this smoker can tend to over smoke. The trick is always, if you are looking to to smoke at 200, keep it this, for example, at 230. The reason is because we have a firebox over here in the back, right? We have the firebox and the smoke. What I manage the temperature to go up and down is this. There is a pin over here. Now, if the smoker reach a desired temperature, the pin gonna go down and gonna choke our fire. Okay, so this keep choking the fire. It can have the tart smoke, too much over smoking, and so forth. When I cold smoke something, I wanna have that. So that's why it's particularly good, this smoker for cold smoking. Okay, over here we have a control panel, which is interesting to see what's up going on over here. Can you go and turn on the evac? So when we turn on the evac manually, that's what's gonna happen. Basically, it opens up and the turbine goes and basically suck up all the dirty smoke. Turn it off, Tommy. Attaboy. And this also open. So with this, we'll remove all basically the dirty smoke, the smoke in the chamber. When we open the door, we don't get a bunch of smoke in our face. When we reach the desired temperature, electronically we'll sell a command, this pin gonna go out, you're gonna open this door, and this also this window here, this also gonna open. So they have this kind of system that basically they manage the flow. In all honesty, there are improvements comparing the M&M 800 to the JNR oiler. I think the M&M is a little bit of better machine, and if I'm not mistaken, it's probably cheaper. And that'll be all for today. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Texicana Barbecue. I'm gonna leave the detail of M&M smoker down below in the description. Ciao! Today, quick review about considering the space. This is what's up. The trick is, what I suggest, always fucking jerk off. The trick is always, if this will never shut completely, and will help us a little bit.